No, I don't know.
Did we set it right at noon?
There's two
yes.
of them.
Little insight. I'm not the best with dates and times.
Got that.
You got that? Okay. It's nothing personal, but I hear you. Try to get out ahead of my faults.
That's a good thing.
Because I was setting myself up for a total. You could have ran away with that joke for. I was being a straight man here. Okay.
This is
okay.
this is the order?
Yeah.
I can't read it. Like, where is it?
Oh, you just gotta say what you want. So here, delivery, yeah. So then, yeah.
Oh, you're delivering it?
Will the both of you stay in this room?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright,
Oh,
so you just,
I'm actually not gonna order anything because I'm not hungry because
but you will be
eating this.
But you will be afterwards, so you need to order something to go.
No, I get everybody else's. Yeah. I'm seriously not.
Okay, how funny is it that those are my initials?
It's perfect.
I know. That's, I'm gonna have to either steal them on, well, not steal, I'll ask.
Maybe just slide it into your bucket on the.
Just be like, come on. You can add it to my payments, my bills.
This is your ice back here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Alright. This is his,
I suppose I need to get more coffee.
yes.
Oh, yeah, he really drinks a lot of coffee.
Okay, I'm just going to go back. Alright. Okay. Go ahead.
We're going to sneak around this
You
way.
absolutely may.
Thank you. Are you already sitting right there?
Director Carmen, there is water and donuts over there.
Okay, this is my vest.
Oh, okay.
Actually, no, it's
Actually,
not.
it's
I didn't
kinda
wear it as
cool.
a vest because I got this one on again.
I was going to say it's kind of cool if you want to keep.
Yeah, no, it's warm in here, so I'm gonna get rid of it this time.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll throw it over my chair so you don't leave without it.
Okay, put this here. Alrighty. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want any? There's more on the way. Do you want any like cream or sugar or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, I have a thing of cream.
Yeah, there's like almond milk over here or
That
anything.
sounds familiar. Someone else up in the room.
You want a water chaser too?
Yeah, I like these ones.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
And there are treats. So
Okay.
if you want to grab them for the road, I mean, you know, like for the.
I
Take them all, cause no one.
Trails.
I feel like I'm gonna need a sleeping bag.
Right? No.
We camping
I'm
out.
gonna release you.
Alrighty, please keep this on the side, on the side. And then I can turn this off. Yeah, sorry.
Sure.
I have some.
Okay. Chris, do you need water?
You can sleep out here.
Yep. It's okay, I'm sorry. It's kind of tiny space. Alright. What do you need this? Oh, rack. Is that sufficient, or you want another one? Somebody told me that those are their favorites, and I'm thinking it was someone that was not. What? I think it was someone in our office who like those, because you're like, what's your favorite donut? Like,
Yeah,
you know,
what,
or-
those are like, what do they call those with the,
Persians?
Pershing? Because there's, that kind that doesn't have that like,
It has cinnamon and,
is it marshmallow fluff or like buttercream?
no, it's a
Key time.
Butter.
it's a donut. I mean, I watched them make them when I went years ago when I worked in the grocery stores.
when they made them right there, or they,
Stand-up desk or my whole office is fine, gone. Still, and they said I can't get back in the office for 6 months. I'm working out of a closet.
Hey Chris, what's up with her testifying that she hadn't been told about the dates for the deposition? I sent you a notice, I think in March.
What do you mean, what's up with that?
Why didn't you represented to me that you had discussed this with her.
I had discussed it with her, yes.
Right, not the dates as she testified. You noticed, you told her that there was a thing. I had asked you for 3 months for dates, and you kept telling they hadn't got back to you. I have got those in writing. Why did you respond to that when it was false?
It's not false. I'm not gonna argue about this.
Well,
I'm
she
not
stated...
gonna respond to it. You don't respond to me about stuff, I'm not responding to you.
I appreciate that. I feel
All
that
right.
we've conferred now, and I am able to go to the judge on this
I doubt
issue.
we conferred on that.
I think we've got witnesses.
You'll always read first, you know. Oh, I do have the new thing. Anyone else?
Okay.
I was in Uber, and then I got out of the car, and I reached back in to get my bag, and the driver took off and ran over my foot. Yeah, so I, no broken bones, but probably some nerve damage. Sorry.
You?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Where?
My left foot, my, driver.
I didn't see.
Yeah, it's always something.
I'm sorry about that. That's.
Yeah, it could be worse, so I'm not complaining, but I definitely have to pursue it.
Oh, see, that's great.
Oh, all right. I was just gonna move for dismissal. Hi, how you doing?
We've been here for a while.
Oh, have you now?
Yep.
All right. Takes a while to write motions. Okay, everybody ready?
Yes.
All right.
We're going on the record.
I'm not ready.
Adult. So my daughter surprised me this morning. She said, she came in and she's like, oh, before you do laundry, she's 11 or 12 now. She's like, just know that there's some bones in some of my pockets. I'm like, what? She was collecting like off the plate, because we have a very wooded lot. So it's her and her friends, and I was like, go wash your hands. But then she pulls them out, she's like, no, some of them are still. I'm like, science geek kid, get away, or, you know.
Bone?
She pulled bones out of. She's not a Montessori kid. Just so casual. She once also found a deer leg and brought it to me.
Yeah. Are we ready?
We're ready.
We're going on the record. The time is 12:15. Today's date is January 5th, 2024. This is media unit number 1 of the video recorded deposition of Aisha Carr. This is taken in the matter of Teresa Froylan versus Milwaukee Public Schools. This case is filed in the state of Wisconsin, Department of Workforce Development, Equal Rights Division. Case number CR 2022013522, EEOC case number 26G 2022000932. Our deposition is being held at Cross Law Firm located at 845 North 11th Street, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. My name is Mike Miguel, and I am the videographer for today's deposition. At this time, I will ask the counsel to state their name, appearance, affiliation for the record, and the court reporter will swear in the witness.
This is Ben Hitchcock Cross of Cross Law Firm, appearing for and with the complainant, Teresa Froylan.
Chris Riordan of Von Briesen and Roper on behalf of the respondent as well as Aisha Carr. And before we get started, I'm going to put some objections on the record. One, I object to this deposition being videotaped, as I believe the videographer is not authorized by the state to perform videotape depositions. In addition, the notice of deposition does not state that this is for a video deposition, so I object to the videotape deposition of Ms. Carr. In addition, the court has already indicated that individuals who are not parties should not be present for the deposition, so Mr. DeGuy, I don't believe should be here, and if Ms. Keither shows up, I don't believe she should be here too, because I believe it violates the judge's order.
Okay. I've got some things I'd like to get on the record too. Are you done?
Sure.
Okay, great. So, this gentleman, Mr. Riordan, received notices of deposition for this deponent and the one held previously today that did indicate video deposition. It was the testimony of the previous witness that Mr. Riordan did not discuss a setting up of a date with her. I specifically, back in March, sent to Mr. Riordan a notice of deposition for videotape on Ms. Herndon, asking Mr. Riordan to provide me with dates. He made several representations to me about how he had not gotten any dates back from the witnesses, including Ms. Herndon, and Ms. Herndon then testified earlier today under oath that Mr. Riordan did not ask her for any such dates. So that is extremely troubling to me, and I do want to notice that we had to re-notice all of these people here because Mr. Riordan just disregarded our previous notices and refused to produce the witnesses at that time.
I object to the representations that Attorney Cross has made. I don't believe they're true and correct. And secondly, the notice of deposition we do have for Ms. Carr as well as Ms. Herndon indicates that the depositions are pursuant to Wisconsin Statute 80405, which is not the videotape deposition statute. So he is incorrect. And again, I object to the representations Attorney Hitchcock Cross made because I don't believe they are correct.
Okay. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Can you just swear her in?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ma'am, will you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you say and spell your name, please?
Aisha, A-I-S-H-A, Carr, C-A-R-R.
How would you like me to address you?
Aisha.
Aisha, thank you. Okay. You're not related to Kevin Carr in any way?
I get asked that all the time. I am not sure.
Okay, fair enough. You count me on that. That list of curious people. Okay, so you are a school board director, is that fair?
Yes.
When did you become a school board director?
April